Boys Garage. Today I'm going to be working on a 1978 Corvette 5.7 liter automatic. I'm going to show you how to change the engine oil and the oil filter. These are the tools I'm going to be using today to do this job. 3/8 ratchet, 3/8 extension, 7/8 wrench, flat tip screwdriver, band type oil filter wrench, cup type oil filter wrench, pneumatic grease gun, funnel, and my drain pan. These are the parts I'm going to be using today to do this job. Engine oil filter, 5 quarts of 530 conventional oil, and a can of BgMOA engine oil treatment. So the oil filler cap is located on the driver's side of the engine. It's right here. Open it up. Put my funnel in. Now I'm going to jack up the car so we can go underneath the vehicle. Okay, so we're under the vehicle. The drain plug is going to be on the driver's side. So I'm going to be removing it. So I'm going to be putting back my drain plug. Tightening it up. So I'm going to be removing my oil filter. I'm going to be using the band type oil filter wrench. Okay, so before I put my filter on, I'm going to be filling it up with engine oil. Putting some oil around the seal. So when you screw it on, it just slides on. Okay, so before I put my filter on, we got to check the block side. Make sure there's no rubber gasket stuck on the block. If there is, just remove it. So we're going to be wiping it down and screwing on the new filter. And with my cup type oil filter wrench, I'm going to tighten it. Okay, so we're still under the vehicle. This vehicle has grease fittings, so I'm going to be pumping some grease in it. Just look for wherever got these grease fittings. One here, one here, one here. Okay, so I'm going to be greasing the lower ball joint on the passenger side. So I'm going to be greasing the upper ball joint. And don't forget to grease the driver's side joints too. So I'm going to be adding in my oil. Okay, so I'm going to be adding a can of MOA. Removing my funnel, putting on my oil filler cap. Now I'm going to start up the engine. So I lowered the vehicle. I'm going to start it up. Let it run for a little while. Should be good enough. Now you can turn it off. Okay, so I'm going to be checking the oil level. The dipstick is on the driver's side of the engine. So I'm going to be pulling it out, wiping it down, putting it back in, pulling it out. Perfect. Right up to the full. So that's how you change engine oil, oil filter, and grease up the suspension. Make sure to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next video. Aloha.